Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily Ethereum analysis for April 3rd. Last week, we saw Ethereum's price drop into the daily order block zone. After reacting to this area as risk appetite returned to financial markets, we witnessed Ethereum's price rise at the start of the week. Ethereum's price.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Price climbed to the $21.65 zone, but retreated from this level following the U.S. President's speech regarding the continuation of the war. Currently, the price is trading around the $20.68 range, so in this time frame, we can consider the daily order block as the most important support zone, and the previous peak around $21.70 as the key resistance ahead. We're examining the capital inflow and outflow trends for Ethereum ETFs. Here we can see that over the past 2 days, there's been a negative flow and outflows from these funds. We can also see that compared to 2 days ago, the fear and greed index has decreased, now sitting at 28, within the fear zone. We're now looking at the 4-hour time frame. Here, we can observe that Ethereum's price has formed a bearish structure during this period. This downward movement is visible through lower highs and lower lows. Even the price surge at the week's start led Ethereum to fill its internal FVG zones and face rejection there. Immediately after Mr. Trump's speech, the price dropped due to selling pressure. During this observed price drop, it fell to the $20.17 range, where strong support pushed it back up, entering its 4-hour FVG zone. Ethereum's price growth has demonstrated that even though recent military tensions have caused capital to flow away from risky assets like Ethereum, it still continues to enjoy strong support from buyers. We're reviewing the Ethereum liquidity map. Here, we can see that sell-side liquidity will be located below the previous lows. This sell-side liquidity is around $20.37 and $2,000. For primary buy-side liquidity, we're looking above the previous peak, around $21.72. Also, near the current price in short-term FVG areas, we can see significant liquidity. We're now examining the 1-hour time frame. As we head into the weekend, and assuming there is not any major news, we can expect the price to likely fluctuate within the current range. After the recent drop to the 1-hour order block, the price rose to the 1-hour BPR range and then retreated from that level. Now, as a suggested setup, given the negative sentiment that's been building in the crypto market since Wednesday, we can expect that since the price has reached its previous high, it'll face a drop in buyer support here, allowing us to look for sell entries. For this short-term sell trade, we can target risk-to-reward ratios of 1:1 and 1:2 until it reaches the 1-hour order block. Good luck and stay profitable.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.